Embark on a seamless journey of fashion creation with Edelweiss Boutique, where your brand's success is our mission. Step 1. Begin with a personalized consultation. We understand your vision, ideas, and aspirations. Step 2. Collaborate with our expert team to turn your vision into a tangible design. We refine sketches and create a blueprint for your unique collection. Step 3. Explore possibilities with our curated fabric selection. Choose materials that align with your brand identity. Step 4. Dive into production planning. Our team manages every aspect, ensuring a smooth journey from modeling to final production. Step 5. Prepare for the market with our online presence setup. We manage your website, social media, and marketing strategies. Step 6. Showcase your collection to the world. Benefit from our sales and promotion expertise, reaching a global audience. Step 7. Witness your success unfold. Edelweiss Boutique celebrates every milestone of your journey. Your success is our ultimate satisfaction. Ready to start your fashion journey? Schedule your initial consultation with Edelweiss Boutique today. Your success story begins here. Edelweiss Boutique, crafting success one design at a time.